Survive. Old tires, new. Yeah. Polishing my tires and efficient surface, y'all. Excuse my hands. Races. I think it's time to go. Are we done?
Have you ever done with the spoofing?
Sorry?
The spoofing, have you ever done with it?
Oh no, I'm good today, bro. I gotta go to work. I didn't even call it
because
lit.
new car, so your car is full of dust because when I was moving that tire, you see, I was spinning it.
Yeah.
That's just because of the And if you want to get it, just take 5 minutes hardly to do it.
No,
and
no,
it's
it's
good for
okay.
the winters because due to salt, it's gonna damage all the body.
It's okay, it's okay. Next time, bro.
No, it's not.
Got him! Got him!
Yeah, he's giving me my receipt. Perfect. Thank you. Oh, that's the damage. Wow. All right, so that's what it looks like. I didn't even have to use the pin pass thing because whatever. All right, here we wait. So touch free. Hi camera, hey. Prepare for your car wash. Oh, there's instructions. I should read that. Okay.
It's touchless. It's touchless.
Oh, so it's doing
It says go in
automatically.
park, and that's what I read online.
Oh, it's doing automatically.
Yeah, for us. Yeah, we don't do nothing. Oh, you thought we were supposed to do something?
Yeah.
Oh God.
Oh, so it's doing it on its own.
That's pretty. I have my foot's on the brakes, like because I'm nervous. But I'm gonna release it. Okay. Let me lean back.
Well, it's on park, so you can't move forward anyways.
Yep. We're okay. Touchless. So it's going to clean underneath. I didn't read the rest of the options. I got soap at the back.
And then the wiper that come.
Oh no, that's not touching my car.
It is. It's supposed to.
No, I chose touchless.
Oh.
I don't want their dirty claws scraping my paint. So I read on the script. So this is gonna be
And this is where you can't see anything.
yeah, it's just scary. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Are we lifting?
No.
Oh, I felt like we were going in the air. This looks so. This is so claustrophobic.
I know, right? Like I'm freaking out. Oh my god, we're moving back.
Oh my goodness!
Oh my god.
I don't like this! Ah! Ah! Why? Why? I guess it's better than the thing actually, the cloth.
Yeah.
Are we moving?
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is feels like a roller coaster. I don't like that.
I understand. Okay, this is creepy.
Oh my god. I didn't put my seatbelt on. What area? What?
Oh my god.
My foot's not on the brake, so like I'm afraid we're gonna just projectile forward.
Yeah, it's kind of scary.
My heart is beating.
What do you do with this again?
I'm not sure about that. I gotta see the results. Yo,
Fair enough.
it still looks dirty over here. Because I didn't get the And I guess they didn't touch my car.
Oh, you didn't get the premium.
Yeah. No premium or the white. This car's still dirty.
Which one did you get, Stan?
I got standard. They had a basic
Yeah.
one, and then I got the standard. There was one higher than that, and there was like heavy duty and premium. I was like, there's too many options.
You should have got the premium.
Premium was like $20 for a car wash. Yeah, I need you guys to really clean that area. I don't know. I need to decide. I guess this is so dirty.
I guess it's...
That's it?
Yeah,
Drive ahead.
that's it.
Okay, we're gonna go through the dryers. Okay. So here I read very slow.
Oh,
Okay.
very slow. Yeah.
I want all of it. That guy has to.
There's a guy behind it.
Yeah, I seen him. He has to wait until we're actually done.
Yeah.
Does it look like it's
I
drying?
see the particles, yeah.
No, it's opening for him. Going as slow as I can.
Driver time. 20.
Oh
yeah,
God!
right.
Should I go backwards?
I don't know. No, the car's coming in.
No, he's gonna have to stop though. I'm going back. 7, 6. I don't want to get stuck. We're gonna hear it turn off. 3, 2.
There you go. If you keep staying there, the thing is gonna like slam
Slam
down.
down on us?
Yeah.
Okay, how do we go back?
Yeah.
I should have came out over here. That's
Oh,
fine.
okay, that car was big.
Who's honking me?
I don't
Oh,
know.
sorry, fam.
There was like two cars behind you.
Okay, wow, what an experience. Didn't like it at all.
I know. But I, yeah. Probably better
Thank you.
doing manual car washes.
Yeah, like when I do it my damn self. Oh my God,
And
my
how
heart.
expensive was it?
It cost me $15.
Oh my god, really?
Because my gas was 38,
Yeah.
and then she said, okay, your total is 52 something.
Okay.
Wow, that's more than that then. They must have charged me tax for that. This road is gonna end? No, the next one. Okay. 3 people or more? Or
Yeah.
all right, y'all. I'll show you the final results in a bit. Yeah, that was extremely traumatic. Like I can't. I don't know. I'm not sure if I want to do it, bro. But we'll see the results. It all depends on what it looks like on the outside. And I got like some standard one. I don't know if I got a nice wax. Because the premium one, oh, you get wax and tricolor soap.
From what I can see from the windows, it looks pretty good.
It did pretty decent for touchless.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. Yeah. I didn't get the right dryer time. She should have said something more.
Yeah, it still works.
She's like, yeah, just drive very slow. She should have told me there was a timer on the dryer. I would have paid attention for that. But other than that, because I'm like, I've never done this before. She got a whole spiel. Was ready. Nah, I don't know. I just. Okay. I don't know what all that got.
Well, how much is the manual?
It starts at $2. So I would put $2 in, wet the car.
Yeah.
Even though they have like a pre-rinse option, I will never pay for that. I just go straight to water.
Yeah.
So we wet it and then soak it with soap.
Yeah.
So that's another $2. And then I rinse it. That's $6. If you want to add the wax option,
Yeah.
it's $8. But you have to put $2 in there
Okay.
to start. So there would have been 8. I guess there's not much difference. And then I didn't do anything. Like everything was done for me.
Wait, they do it for you?
No, I mean at the $2 car wash, I have to actually be outside the car and going around my car holding the hose myself. No one will bother me. But this one, it's not. It's all done for me. I'm like this car. Like there's a shovel at the. I don't know. I'd rather.
It's a snow cleaner.
Oh, I know. Like he has a shovel. Sorry, guy. Is that salt too in the back?
Yes.
But he's cutting lanes. I don't know what he's doing.
Is he really?
He was over here, and I saw him come back here. And then
It looks like he wants me to come to this one.
it does. So I'm not sure. I don't want to get. Ah! Ah!
There's a
Bus. There's a big truck. There's a Mazda. Let's leave them. Sport mode. Come on.
How long was the car wash? It's 2:15 now.
Oh, I have to check back that footage when we start to hit record.
You want to take that into consideration?
Yeah, that was like 10, 12 minutes. Should we turn over here somewhere?
Just turn left.
Really?
Yeah. To the left there.
It's too late.
Why? Because of that shovel car.
Yes! The shovel car!
No cleaner. Oh, he's a pulling car.
Plow. That's the word. What shovel? Plow, yeah, plow. The plows.
It's not a third-party plowing service.
They must make good money in the winter.
Yeah,
No one
they
wants
only do it on the winter.
I know, right? They must make good
Good
money in the winter.
Is that money enough to last the whole year?
Jeez. Oh my god. Wow. The car looks well. The back is nice and dry since I went backwards.
Yeah, it
The
looks
back
shiny.
window. I hope
Looks
so.
nice compared to all these cars in front of us.
But that was expensive. I know there's another car wash thing that must have a package. She's like,
I think that's like Shell.
yeah, the other.
Or, no,
gas station.
Petro Canada.
Okay.
Yeah, I remember seeing one there.
God. My blood pressure. Wow. Ah, that was not fun.
It was.
It was too loud. Like everything
Yeah.
about it was just nerve-wracking. I'll probably do it again though, as much as I'm complaining. I'll probably do that again. Oh my goodness. Come on, let's go. I want to see my finished product, guys. Oh, that was sport mode. I did not mean to accelerate like that.
We should probably switch lanes.
I shall. After the intersection.
Let's hope that
Oh, everybody's
this,
such a...
the snowplow,
So,
the salt doesn't come.
oh god. I have so much content. I just need to put it out there. When I get home, I do anything but want to edit.
Why?
I don't know why. I end up reading like my Kobo, because
Uh-huh.
I would usually read my Kobo when I'm taking the commute
Yeah.
home, and I would get that out of my system. But while I'm driving now, I can't even
Yeah.
read. I can't do anything. One of my friends, her sister actually would be watching a YouTube video right now with her dash cam. Oh, that was rough. I'm so sorry. I don't know what to say.
She would be watching YouTube
She would be watching a
while
YouTube.
driving.
Yep.
What?
Yep.
Are you-
It's my
Oh
friend.
my god.
And she's been in an accident
I-
before, and I don't know why.
That's scary. I'm sorry.
No, it's awful. I've never been in the car with her. This is just hearsay. And she'll do her makeup while she's driving. Like, people do that.
God.
But technically, that's
This is what we have to consider.
exactly. I think that's against the law.
It is.
It's distracted driving in Toronto. I really want to get like a protector case type of thing for my license plate.
Yeah.
But apparently, that's against the law too. But I see people with it all the time. You know, the plastic one.
Yeah, I did know that.
Yeah, because this is it obstructs my twin. She parks here all the time. I want this parking spot.
Really? It's on the hill.
Nah, it's perfect.
Okay.
It's close enough.
Oh,
Even though there's a spot down there.
There's one down there. You
Fine.
can get that?
For you, fine. Otherwise, I would have
Well,
taken
I don't care because. Oh no, there's a spot like right there.
at the front.
Yeah, at the very front.
Blessed.
Hurry before someone else takes it.
No one's coming. Beep, 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 beep.
Oh, that's a good spot.
Oh, it's right at the front.
Yeah.
How?
It's like you came in for the morning shift.
Exactly. Ooh, one here, one there. Now I want this one.
Everyone's gone on Friday.
Exactly. Oh, there's 3 spots. Oh, shoot. I hate that hill one.
Yeah. See, I didn't want you parking there because there's a hill.
Uh-huh.
You would have had a tough time getting out.
I hate it. Okay, that's good. Oh no, now it's gonna be awkward because I wanted to film. Oh well, I'm gonna still do it just to see the results.
Yeah.
Parking is important. Ooh. Are you guys ready? I don't think they're ready.
Why did all these guys wait so long to get their tires changed? I don't get it.
Boy, if you don't